Hello guys, so today I want to show you how to promote your fashion for your platforms and how you can do it using free tools. So let's say we are promoting this t-shirt. You right click, copy image, then you'll come to ChatGPT, paste it, then you'll write this prompt: use a new UGC African male avatar wearing this outfit and taking a mirror selfie of 9:50. Make the aspect ratio 9:2. Then we wait for ChatGPT to do its thing. As you can see, ChatGPT gave us two different images. So there's this one and this one. Both of them look so nice. So let's see them individually. So there's this one. Both of them look nice. So I'll use this one for the purpose of promoting the product, or you can use the other one. So download it. Now the next prompt that I will write is this one. So in my other prompt, I want him to actually showcase the outfit he has worn for my Google Vids, which is 8 seconds. 8 seconds. And ChatGPT will give us the way it's supposed to be done. So this is the one that we will use. So the first video, I want this guy to showcase his outfit. The second one, I want him to actually tell us why he loves this outfit. So I'll write the next prompt. So for the next video that I will make, I want him to give me an image to video prompt of this man telling us why he loves this outfit for 8 not minute, 8 seconds video. So in short, I want to have two videos: him showcasing the outfit and the other one telling us why he loves that outfit. So ChatGPT has generated. Now the next thing, we go to Google Vids. As I told you earlier, Google Vids you can access as long as you have a Gmail account. You can access it. Is this one. So we open it up and we are using this one, View 3.1. Now we'll come, remember the downloaded image that we did download, so we'll come and put it here to do the two videos. We see how it will turn out. Now first things first, make sure that you click animate and the portrait and the aspect ratio is portrait. Then we add our image. The image is this guy over here. Then we go back to ChatGPT. We copy our first image to video prompt. Then we go back to Vids, we paste it, and then we click generate. Let's see what it will generate for us. So I've generated two of them. The first one had an issue. The second one was almost nice, but I want you to watch for yourself. And then we do now the second part. Now that's the first one. As you can see, it has an error. Let me see the second one. The second one is actually good. So first I will select this one. So I'll select this one, then download it. I'll come here, download it, because I'm going to edit it on CapCut and I want to show you how to edit on CapCut. and then post it on your social media platforms. Nice. So the next prompt will be the second one that we did. The one he's now telling us why does he love wearing this clothes. So the second one, I'll still do the same. Animate. Apparently, I've clicked some things and then they got lost. So that's the thing. Every time you generate a video, make sure you download it, because when you refresh the Google Vids, it loses your videos. So it's portrait. We add the image again. And then we go back to ChatGPT for now the second one that he's telling us why he loves the outfit. Then we copy it and then we come back to Google Vids, we paste it, and generate. We see what he will say concerning this outfit. You need to watch this. No, this is the final thing that we did. By the way, there's another feature they have, this one called extend. You can actually extend it. So I want us to listen to what this avatar of ours is telling us about this clothes.
I love this outfit because it feels classy, unique, and powerful. The gold details make it stand out while keeping that elegant African style. I love this outfit because it feels.
I love it. Personally, I love how this guy is explaining this. So I'll put it here and then we download it and then we go back to CapCut and we edit. So make sure you insert it here and then we download it. So make sure you download it. Nice. So next thing, I'll go back to CapCut. This is CapCut. Then create new project. And now I will import my 2 videos, or the 3 of them, like that. Okay. So the first one I'll do is drag them like so. Okay. And then I'll make sure the aspect ratio is 9:16. Yeah, don't worry, we will edit them. So my CapCut somehow looks, yeah. So this is the one that is explaining and this one is showcasing now. So I want to edit it, him explaining and then him showcasing. And then on this one, we add the contact details. I'm just showing you how you can be creative. So in this one, we'll just put some details for your contact and then you post it. So let me show you how to edit it. So with this one, we'll have to increase the scale. That's the thing, we have to increase the scale like that. Nice. Like that. And then with this one also, we have to also increase some scale on it. Good job. Like that. So as you can see, somehow we want it to look realistic. So we are going to start so that I can see how we are going to make it realistic.
I love this outfit because it feels classy.
For me, I feel like the way he has posed is not supposed. So we come here. How to edit, you have to increase the scale here so that you know where you're cutting and where you're editing. So this is how I'll do it. I want to start where he's speaking because it's somewhere here. So
I love this outfit because it feels classy, unique, and powerful. The gold details make it stand out while keeping that elegant African style.
Nice. I want him to. Then on this other one, I want it to just start. Like that. Don't want him to. I want him left smiling. And then on the other one, we put your contacts. Okay, this one. So how do we put your contacts? Come here, simple edit, add text, add text. Let's say, for example, you are called, let me say, called Fashions Contacts. Contacts, contact us on, and maybe your number is 00809 or whatever. I'm just guessing the numbers. You can come here, play around with the fonts. I love this one actually. For you to actually have access to this, they are very much. So I love play fair display. For me, I want the contacts to be seen so well. So I'll go here to preset style. This one. Then I want to animate the texts. I want the typing, so I'll just write type. And it will show me this one. There are so many. Okay, there's this one. Okay, this one looks okay. And then I want it to fade out. Maybe out. I'll say maybe zoom out. I prefer zooming out. So like that. Even this one, the image, I wanted to animate it. Zooming out, maybe like that. So let's watch the whole video.
I love this outfit because it feels classy, unique, and powerful. The gold details make it stand out while keeping that elegant African style.
And like that, you have created your own art, so you can export it if you want to, 2K. If you want to add your logo, you can. For example, let me show you. Let's say you have a logo for your farm. We're just saying you have a logo. Let me look if I have a logo, because I do have one. I just want us to look for a logo. Yes, let's say you have a logo like this one. I'm using the BMW one. So you can actually put it on top like this. And then for it to keep on appearing all the time so that it stands out to your brand, that is, you just come here, opaque blend, and then you can just do like this, or make sure you put it screen so that every time, I know you have ever seen such a thing. That's how people put logos. So for example, your logo is that one, then you can shrink it and then put it here.
I love this outfit because it feels classy, unique, and powerful. The gold details make it stand out while keeping that elegant African style.
I love it. So that's how you can put your logo, just to make sure there's a trademark on your videos, and then you click export and you export it. You can choose 2K, 4K, 8K, depending on the quality that you want your video to be, and then you're ready to post it on your platforms. Okay, so that's how you edit and also promote your product online for free using free tools, that is CapCut, AI tools like ChatGPT and Vids to generate your video. And if you have watched till the end, thank you so much. And for the people that wants to create their digital product, there are videos that I did that, and 2 countries that I talked about some of the digital products they can create and it's evergreen. So don't forget to watch those videos. And until next time, bye. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And yeah, bye.